Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about the energy technology, wind energy. એમાં જોઈશું આપણે વર્ટિકલ એક્સિસ અને wind machines. Then the advantages and disadvantages for a wind energy. Okay. Then now start the vertical axis and wind machines જોઈશું આપણે. Simply a discussion part first of all uh, the axis of rotation is a vertical. Okay. આપણે previous picturesમાં જોયું is a shaft work and these all the machines for equipment for rotating wise okay for a vertical axis. It's also known as a cross wind axis machine and no need of yaw control machines and mechanism. The heavy components placed on the ground system. Okay, now till the axis of the rotation is vertical part. It's also known as cross wind axis machine. No need of yaw control machine mechanism. Heavy components placed on the ground system. Okay, this is the how to wind power works. હવે કઈ રીતે વર્ક કરતે જુઓ ઇલેસ્ટ્રેશન ઇઝ અ ફિગરમાં ફોર વર્ટિકલ એક્સિસ ટર્બાઇન છે એમાં આપ્યું છે આપણને અપર હબ અને વાય this one gear wire, upper hub, rotor blade, lower hub, gear boxes and a generator. This is a wind energy conversion system regarding છે. Okay, this is a simple discussion there. How wind power works. વર્ક કઈ રીતે કરે તે બતાવ્યું છે આખું. જનરેટિંગ સિસ્ટમ દ્વારા ગિયર બોક્સ completely rotating for a vertical axis turbine છે આપણે horizontal and vertical turbine માં. Now this is a more one figure. The rotation part is a જો upper bearing, upper hub, center column, cables, rotor height, tensioner, clearance, ground level, cable foundation, rotor foundation, lower hub, lower bearing, support stand, power and equipment station. This is all point regarding the vertical turbine, vertical wind. Simply starting the first 4 point જોઈએ આપણે એના regarding છે this one vertical axis wind machines. Okay, જોયું તમે. The axis of rotation is a vertical part. It is also known as cross wind axis machine. No need yaw control machine mechanism. Heavy component placed on the ground. This is the figure. Vertical axis turbine no, and the upper bearing is the upper hub in the ground level system, cable foundation, rotor foundation, clearance, tensioner, rotor height, upper bearing, upper hub, central column is the cable, lower hub, lower bearing, support stand, power train, equipment station. Okay, rotor foundation. This is the all point regarding. This is the other more figure for a turbine wind द्वारा vertical plate. Okay, vertical rotor द्वारा बताયું છે. Now the horizontal axis wind, horizontal axis wind turbine, vertical axis wind turbine under various types. Rotor blade, knuckles, rotor blade tower, and this is all blade. This is also blade in the shown in the figure for simply vertically. As also one this more figure for rotating a vertically wind. Now the generating system. Okay, draw flow chart in your notebook first of a generating system for a controller, wind through wind turbine to gearing coupling, then electrical generator to load utility grid. Simply a speed for a connect to a controller part. Okay, pinch control, yaw control and a control signal part, generator temperature द्वारा. This is the one wind to load utility. Wind turbine gearing electronic control controlling બે વડે કનેક્ટેડ છે એના વડે yaw control pitch speed. Okay, then draw this chart in your notebook. Wind energy conversion system द्वारा. Okay, now the discussion part for advantages and disadvantages. That is completely over this chapter. For advantages of wind power, the wind blows day and night, which allows the windmills to produce electricity throughout the day, the faster during the day. Okay, advantages of the wind power: in the wind blows day and night, which allows the windmills to produce electricity throughout the day, faster during the day. Wind power is available in ample amounts of all the coastal areas. Decreasing cost, wind power and the growing interest in renewable energy sources should ensure that the wind power will become a viable energy source for worldwide. Okay, all the 3 points for advantages in this. First one is, second one is, this one is, this one. So first one again repeated. The wind blows day and night, which allow windmills to produce electricity throughout the day, faster during the day. Wind power is available in ample amounts in all coastal areas. The decreasing cost of wind power and the growing interest in a renewable energy source should ensure that the wind power will become a viable energy sources in the worldwide. Now the other more environmental advantages of wind power. It is done. It does not produce any carbon dioxide, यानी कि CO2. Okay, it is a renewable energy source. આપણે ફર્સ્ટ ચેપ્ટરમાં જોઈ ગયા હતા renewable and non renewable resources. It is a there is no use of fossil fuel. Almost 95% of the land in use can be used for farming, recreational purposes. Okay, and the some key environmental issues facing wind power is a basic point regarding the wind energy system. Electromagnetic interference, noise, electric shock, throwing eyes, tower collapse, damage occur in the radio signals, blade failure, bird life, for a wind through द्वारा એને કરવામાં generally key છે આપણને આપી એરિયા key environmental issues facing wind power. સમ ફિગર જોઈ લો. Now the other more figure. આ ચાર્ટ જુઓ ખાસ ફેક્ટ. એવિયન દીટ અવર્સ પર યર, એન્યુઅલ બર્ડ ડેથ્સ આના કારણે જે થાય છે વાઇન્ડ પાવર દ્વારા. ઓકે, જનરલી ચાર્ટ આપ્યો છે તમને, એ જોઈ લો. Now, the impact of wind power noise for modern turbines are relatively quiet. Rule of the thumb, stay about 3x of height houses. For some attractiveness, large windmill generator more electricity but move slowly and so have less attractiveness among the people. Small windmills have fast moving, have more attractiveness but generate less electricity point. Now the simple point in this regarding the large windmill and generate more electricity but move slowly and so have the less attractiveness among the people. Small windmills have more attractiveness but generate less electricity in this point. Now the tax credit. For whenever the tax initiative have been removed for interest of inverters has steeply decreased. Tax incentives increase governmental expenditure and lead to fiscal deficit. Capital cost કેટલો હશે એનો એ આપ્યું છે. Continue for a capital cost energy technology. For the capital cost of the installing a wind turbine is a very high and land this part for our government and maybe also create some problems is okay. Wind દ્વારા અમુક પ્રોબ્લેમ આવી શકે, એના દ્વારા કેપિટલ કોસ્ટને પ્રોબ્લેમ થઈ શકે, ટેક્સ ક્રેડિટને પ્રોબ્લેમ થઈ શકે. Then whenever the tax incentives have been removed for interest of an investor has a steeply decreases part and tax incentives increases governmental expenditure and lead to fiscal difficulties. Okay, some capital cost this regarding the all over the point regarding this. Thank you so much. And some revision part for advantages and disadvantages. Okay, now the wind blows day and night which allow the windmills to produce electricity throughout the day, the faster during the day. Wind power is available in ample amounts of in coastal area and the decreasing cost of the wind and power and the growing interest in renewable energy sources should ensure that the wind power will become a viable energy sources in the worldwide. The environmental advantages of wind power is does not produce any carbon dioxide. It is a renewable energy sources. There is no use of fossil fuels. Almost 95 of the land is used to farming some purposes area. Now this is a WES system, wind energy conversion system. Wind turbine, gearing coupling, electrical generator part to load utility grid. For pinch control, yaw control system, control singles generator temperature. Okay, some speed for giving these operations. The wind mill turbine for gearing coupling, electrical generator to load utility grid in this point. Simply search for figure in a vertical axis for a horizontal and a vertical. Okay, two differences. Okay, thank you so much.